Hi, and welcome to my first video on sequences. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the nth term of a linear sequence. Remember that the purpose of these videos is just to make you exam ready, so I'll be using shortcuts rather than teaching you the actual method. So if you have a linear sequence such as this one, 3, 7, 11, first of all, you know that it's linear because if you look at it, you'll see that it goes up by the same amount. So that's add 4, and that's how you know it's a linear sequence. So the first thing you do is you see what it goes up in. This goes up in 4, and that tells you that you'll have 4n. So that would be the start of your sequence, 4n. You then have a look to see what should go before the first term for the sequence to follow the same pattern. And if I was to extend that sequence backwards, that would have to be a -1. Because if that's a -1, then my sequence would still go up in 4s. So therefore, the nth term of my sequence is 4n take away 1. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, let's do another example. So in the next example, same thing. You see what the sequence is going up or down in fact. So if you look at this sequence, that is going down by 5, and this is going down by 5. So that tells you that your sequence starts with -5n. And just as before, you then look at what should go before the first term so that the sequence still goes down by 5. And that, of course, would have to be a 14. So if you extend the sequence backwards by one term, that would give you a 14. So the nth term for this sequence is -5n plus 14. Okay, so the third and final one, if you could pause the video and have a go and then play it again to see the solution. Okay, so final sequence. First step is to see what it goes up or down in. Well, don't be confused by this. Although it's all negatives, this sequence is clearly going up by 3 because from -12 you need to add 3 to get to -9. From -9 you need to add 3 to get to -6. So I know that my sequence will have a 3n. You then look to see what should go before the first term so that the sequence still goes up in 3. And that, of course, would have to be a -15. So if you extend that sequence back, you get a -15. So the nth term of this sequence is 3n minus 15. Thank you.